everyone, it's Selena from Unicorn Poop Kids. Today we are opening Hatchimal Collectibles. It's purple on the bottom. It's a dozen and it has 12 eggs in it. Wait, yeah, it has 12 in it. I hope I get limited editions, all of them, because I want all of them. Or ultra rares, or rare, I want common. And they have you can see in the hearts, there's a star because they're different. There's 2 exclusive ones, right here and right here. And yeah, I got those ones from last time. I didn't get to record opening them because we were really busy. And yeah, I want to open it. I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna take this out first. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. And then I'm gonna take the plastic. Ooh. Yeet. Okay. I'm gonna. Oh, what is that? I got these 2. And they're both common. And yeah, they're orange and purple and they look like twins. Almost. I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna put them right here. And then I'm gonna put the other one right here. And I'm gonna open this blue one up first. It's gonna take forever. I'm still thinking. This is gonna take forever. I'm gonna do this like, oh. It never works though. It never works. Okay. I guess I opened it up. I guess I opened it up without doing it. This is hopefully. Yay, I got a rare. I got a rare. Where is that? Ooh. I think I got a rare. Oopsies. Okay. It's a crocodile. Pink crocodile. Blue. I'm gonna see what it is. This was blue. Yeah, Aligu. This one. There's another one next to it, but it's blue. And then I'm gonna put these right here. Ta-da! And then next one is the white one. Wait, I think it's green. The green's, ooh, special edition. The booming, or the forest. Or is that white? I don't know. I'm still thinking. Yeah. Oh, it's common, but it's a unicorn. Wait, I think it's common. Yeah, it's common. It's okay. I see. I said it's okay. It's a kitty cat unicorn? A kitty corn? Kitty corn, it's a common one. And then now we're gonna put it, oops. We opened 2 of these so far, so let's put them. Yeet. And then now, for the, wait, what is this color? This is a weird color. Oh, it's pink. Okay. Oh. Wait. I think we got twins. Wait, no, it's not a twin. What is this? It's a caterpillar. I got a caterpillar. What? I got a pink. It was a blue one. Wait, no, it was pink. Pink. I think it's from, wait. I thought it was that one. Dun, dun, dun. Ah! Beef. Wait, what it? Wait, I think this is Kate. This one. I think it's this one. This one right here. Caterpillar. It's blue. Oops. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna open this one up now. And yay. I'm still thinking. Wait, I think I have a twin. Oh, I have a twin. Yeah, I have a twin. Wait. I got a twin. I got one over here. I got one right here. We got a twin. We got a twin. Wait, are they the same? Yeah, they are the same. The eyes are different though. Which one is which? Okay, anyways. Yeet. And then put that one back. The next one, I don't know what else. The green one. It might be the special edition, the Boomin' Bluffs, or the Forest. No. I'm still thinking. Yeet. I'm so close. Finally, that took for, what is that? Oh wow, I think it's a flying monkey. Wait, what is this? This is weird. It looks like a wolf, a squirrel, a dog, a bat, a bat. Wow. Or should I just do this? Oh, oopsies. Okay. It's a squirrel. A squirrel. Okay. Wait. It's a squirrel that's pink. With wings. Oh, now. I almost forgot it. This one, I know it's from the forest. No, it's not. Where is that? Okay. The forest was wait, was this green? Yeah. Green. Oh, okay. The forest, squirrely, right there. Yeah. Next, I got 5 more to go. Hopefully get another green. Okay. Now it's like that. Now it's like that. Dun 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 dun. What is a flying duck? What's a flying duck with 4 wings over here for? Yay! It's an ultra rare. Wait, is it? Okay. It's purple wings. Purple wings. It's a ultra rare. What's the special edition? So this is also from the green. This one. Boomin' duckling. And then I think this one right here is the Boomin' owlcorn. This one holding ice cream. I want ice cream. That's it. And then I got this one. Looks orange. Oh. Oh, that hurt. I'm joking. No, it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt. Yeah. Boom, shakalaka. It's a donkey. It's an ultra rare. Wait, no, it's rare. This is, wow. Wait, I don't know what the name. It looks like it might be from the font. Yeah, it's Donkamuk. It's a rare. Ta-da! It's yellow. Okay, next. I've opened lots of eggs. Now, the white one. What's the white one? There's no white one. So it must be the Midnight Mask Squad. Wait, no, that's not purple. Or is it? Wait. No. There's no white. A duck. A duck. There's a duck. Where is the duck? It's a duck with wings again. But it's not with ice cream. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. Wait. Wow. I think it's right here. I think it's the Starlight Shores. I think this is a Starlight Platy Piper. It's a ultra rare. We got 2 ultra rares already. Ta-da! They're both ducks though. This is fun. And then next one looks like blue. There's 2 types of blue. Oh, no. It's a common. It's a common. It's okay though. It's a common. It's a common. It's a squid with wings. Wait, oh. It's a whale with wings. Okay. It's a whale. A purple whale. With wings. We have 1 more to go. We have 1 more to go. We have this one to go. We have this one to go. And then we're gonna put all these ones in there and there and there. Wait, no, there's not. There's not enough. What is that? It looks like a caterpillar. It's not. It's not. Okay. I can't tell if that's purple or pink or white. It's pink. It's a narwhal. Yeah. Okay, I didn't do that. I think this is from the ocean. Yeah, I think it's... Wait. I think it's this one. Walren. Yeah, Walren is from the ocean. I'm Walren. I'm the ocean. And then I got these other ones. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. I'm saving. Eat. Yeet. And then yeet. Ta-da! Okay, it doesn't fit. Now I'm just spreading it around. Rocking around the Christmas tree. Do 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 do. Ta-da! 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 Thank you for watching my Hatchimal collectible video. Stay tuned for another Hatchimal video. Bye. Watching. Bye.
Everything